Rain hammered the attic's tin roof as I found the old typewriter, its keys sticky and stained with something dark. The cramped room reeked of iron and dust, but curiosity overruled my caution. I rolled in a yellowed sheet and began to type, each letter echoing louder than the last in the silence. The words came unbidden. He watches from the shadows. He waits for you to bleed. My fingers cramped, yet I couldn't stop. The typewriter jerked violently, keys clacking on their own. I tried to pull away, but my hands were stuck, skin pressed cold and raw against metal. Letters carved themselves painfully into my flesh. The words shifted. He is here. Lightning flashed, illuminating the cracked attic window. In the glass, I saw a gaunt figure behind me, eyes hollow, grinning wide. I screamed, but the sound was swallowed by the storm outside. Blood trickled down my wrists, pooling on the keys. The typewriter fed on it, the stains darkening and spreading. With a final shuddering jolt, the machine spat out the page. It read, "You are the story now." The attic door slammed shut behind me. The figure stepped closer, whispering my name with a voice like cold wind. As my vision blurred and faded, I realized the typewriter was waiting, hungry for its next author.